Welcome to my workshop kitchen where all the chocolatey magic happens. I've been busy this week getting ready for Easter and creating some Chocolatician workshops in a box that are Easter themed, because sadly I won't be able to welcome anybody here to do my workshops in person. So instead, everything you need to do a workshop is in this box, which you can order online on my website. And inside are all the ingredients that you need, and the piping bags and transfer sheets and links to the tutorials that are all on YouTube. And you can make an Easter egg lolly or a spring flower lolly or a cheeky rabbit lolly. And there's also a little Easter egg mould, so you can have a go at actually moulding things.
Showing you where things should go, bringing all the chocolate joy for you and your friends to enjoy.